Welcome. In this session, we will talk about Mpox, a global emergency being declared by WHO. So what is Mpox? Mpox is a disease that spreads through close contact. Usually the symptoms are mild, but in rare cases it can turn out to be fatal. The cases were reported in 2022 and the variant was that time known as Clade 2B. However, later on last year the variant was Clade 1B. This year variant is Clade 1. It is found extensively in the regions of Democratic Republic of Congo, if you see the region here, and the nearby regions of Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Kenya. So the spread has been seen to the nearby countries, and therefore the situation has become more alarming because of its spread to the nearby areas. Compared to the last year itself, there has been 160% rise in the cases, and the vaccine for this is not abundantly available in the regions of Africa. One of the pharmacies, Bavarian Nordic, has planned to supply the vaccines to the regions of South Africa, and so far 2.15 lakh doses have been supplied in the region. So the symptoms are usually fever. And one very important demarcating feature of this disease is pus lesions that can be seen. And because of these pus lesions, it's really painful. And there has been a good check on the spread that has been seen in the region. This can be a probable question for your upcoming prelims examination. Many such important topics will be covering in comprehensive detail, and in the exam-based current affairs section you would find the updates on these topics very easily. For more information and practice for your upcoming examination, follow the details below. In case you have queries or concerns, do let us know.